Hello traders, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an incredibly powerful tool for your trading arsenal, the SMI Ergodic Oscillator. We'll cover what it is, how to set it up on TradingView, the best settings for different time frames, interpreting buy and sell signals, and how to use it with other indicators. Let's get started. What is the SMI Ergodic Oscillator? The SMI Ergodic Oscillator is a momentum indicator used to identify the strength and direction of a trend. It's a refined version of the traditional stochastic momentum index, providing smoother and more accurate signals by using an additional moving average. How to set it up in TradingView. Open your TradingView platform and select the chart of the asset you want to analyze. Click on the Indicators button at the top of the screen. In the search bar, type SMI Ergodic Oscillator and select it from the list. The indicator will appear at the bottom of your chart, ready for customization. Best settings for different time frames. The default settings for the SMI Ergodic Oscillator are usually quite effective, but you can tweak them for different time frames. For day trading, use a shorter period, such as 5-5-3. This makes the oscillator more responsive to quick market changes. For swing trading, a medium period, like 14-14-3, helps capture medium-term trends. For long-term trading, use a longer period, such as 21-21-3, to filter out noise and focus on significant trends. Interpreting buy and sell signals. The SMI Ergodic Oscillator provides buy and sell signals based on its movement relative to the zero line. A buy signal occurs when the oscillator crosses above the zero line. It indicates bullish momentum. Conversely, a sell signal when the oscillator crosses below the zero line. It suggests bearish momentum. Additionally, look for divergences where the price moves in the opposite direction of the oscillator, indicating potential reversals. Using it in combination with other indicators. Combining the SMI Ergodic Oscillator with other indicators can enhance its effectiveness. For example, pairing it with the Relative Strength Index, RSI, can provide more reliable signals. Use the RSI to identify overbought and oversold conditions. Confirm these conditions with the SMI Ergodic Oscillator's crossovers and divergences. This combination helps filter out false signals and increases the probability of successful trades. Risk management. Remember, no indicator is foolproof. Always apply proper risk management techniques. Use stop-loss orders to protect your capital. Never risk more than 1-2% of your trading account on a single trade. Diversify your trades to spread risk. That's all for today's deep dive into the SMI Ergodic Oscillator. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. For a more in-depth info on this indicator, visit our website at brokercheck.co.za. Thanks for watching and happy trading.